Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. It doesn't matter whether it is rich body or a poor body. Everyone has to undergo the threefold miserable condition of life. When typhoid is there, it does not discriminate that here is a rich body, I shall give him less pain. No. When the typhoid is there, either your body is rich body or poor body, you have to suffer the same pain. When you are within the womb of your mother, you have to suffer the same pain. Either you become in the queen's womb or in the cobbler's wife's womb. That packed up situation. They do not know. Janma Mrityu Jara. There are so many sufferings in the process of birth. There are so many sufferings in the process of birth and death and old age. A rich man or poor man, when we are old, we have to suffer so many invalidity. And similarly, Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi, Jara and Vyadhi and Mrityu. So, we are not conscious about the suffering position of this material body. Shastra says, don't accept again any material body. Na sadhu manne. This is not good that you are repeatedly getting this material body. Na sadhu manne jato atmano. Atmana, the soul, is encased in this material body. Jato atmanaya. Asannapi. Of the temporary I have got this body. Klesada, asadi, ha. So, if we want to stop this miserable condition of getting another material body, then we must know what is karma, what is bikarma. That is Krishna's proposal. Karmanopi bodhabbam, bodhabbam cha bikarmana. Akarmanasta bodhabbam. Akarmana means there is no reaction. Reaction. Karma, if you do nice work, it has got reaction. It has nice body, nice education, nice family, nice riches. This is also nice. We take it as nice. We want to go to the heavenly planet. But we do not know that even in the heavenly planet, there is the Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi. Therefore Krishna does not recommend that you go to the heavenly body. He says, Abrahma bhuvana lokan punaravartino arjuna. Even if we go to the Brahma loka, still the repetition of birth and jadgatyana nivartanti tadhama paramam. Jadgatyana nivartanti. But we do not know that there is a dhama. If you somehow or other, if we can promote ourselves to that dhama, then no nivartanti, jadgatyana nivartanti, tadhama paramam mama. In another place, tattadi hang punarjanma naiti mameti. So people have no information that Krishna, or the Supreme Lord, He has got His place and anyone can go. How one can go? Janti deva brata devan pitrin janti pitri brata bhutejja janti bhutani madjajinopi janti ma. If one becomes devoted to my worship, my business, bhakti yoga, he comes to me. In another place he says, bhaktamam abhijanati javanjasta. Therefore our only business is to understand Krishna. Jagyarthe karma. This is akarma. Here it is said. Akarmana api bodhabhyam, akarmanascha bodhabhyam. Akarma means without reaction. Yet, if we act for our sense gratification, the reaction is just like a soldier is killing, is getting gold medal. The same soldier, when comes home, if he kills one man, he is hanged. Why? He can say in the court, sir, when I was fighting in the battlefield, I killed so many, I got gold medal. And why you are hanging me just now? Because you have done for your own sense gratification. And that you did for government sanction. Therefore, any karma, if you do it for Krishna's satisfaction, that is akarma. It has no reaction. But if you do anything for your own self-satisfaction, you will have to suffer the resultant action, good or bad. Therefore Krishna says, karmanopi buddhabbam buddhabbam cha vikarmana akarmanascha buddhabbam gahana karmana. It is very difficult to understand what kind of action you should do. Therefore we have to take direction from Krishna, from the Shastra, from Guru. Then our life will be successful. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.